guys, we're looking at my favourite game by the Cardigans today. It's a pretty simple song in essence. We've got a few chords, we've got two different rhythms, there's two different guitars, so we're kind of following two different guitarists. So we'll check those out, and then we've got the riff. So let's go through a playthrough and we'll check it out. Okay, so first things first, we got our capo on the first fret. I'm playing with a pick, but you don't have to. It's just I find it kind of gives the attack that you need for this song. And we'll look at our rhythm. For the verse, basically in this song we have kind of like the three most basic rhythms you can do. For the verse we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. In my left hand I have a B minor chord. Okay, so it's just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and here we're following the rhythm guitarist. Then you have an A chord, then an E chord, and then half a bar of G, half a bar of A. And he plays these as open chords. So if we go through that nice and slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that just keeps repeating round and round for all the verses. Chorus, there's two ways of playing it. The rhythm guitarist actually moves on and plays some piano when they do it live, which is pretty cool, or keyboards, and so he does a single strum effectively, or the equivalent on piano. So you can either single strum each chord through the chorus, or the guy who's playing lead, he moves on to doing this kind of chugging down, 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 little bit of palm muting going on as well. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all down. And you're going for kind of short strums you don't want to hear. It's a bit too much. So, the chords. First line we're going to go B minor, G, A, then half a bar of F sharp 7, which is your E-shaped bar chord at the second fret with your little finger taken off. And then half a bar of A. We're going to play bar chords for this bit if you can. Because it just gives that better sound when you're palm muting. So we go B minor, G up to 3rd fret, A 5th fret, then half F sharp 7, half A. We do that twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the, I think it's the second chorus, she repeats that again, they do it again. But for the first chorus, then we come to a B minor, same rhythm, G, E, A, so we slide back to the E. Then you can play A as a little power chord, full bar. And then F sharp 7 for 2 bars. And then you'd be back into the riff. What you can do on the F sharp 7, which they don't do, but it sounds kind of cool, is if you do the down, 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 and then in the drums he goes digga digga dig, as a kind of da 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 da. And so you're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down. And then you'd be into the rhythm, so you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then into the B minor. So you can throw that in just to follow the drum riff. Okay, and so for the riff, it's super simple. We got two notes. We got the 7th fret, 7th from the capo, on the G, 6th fret, on the G. We're going to play the 7th fret, then you're going to stop it, it's quite a staccato note. Then you're going to play it again and put off to 6. Do that again. Do that again. And then you play 7th once, hold it, and then 6th once, hold it. And that's the riff. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that song. There's plenty of other lessons around here on the channel, so feel free to have a browse and I'll see you very soon.